Welcome aboard. In this video, we follow Eckerö Line's MS Finlandia as it arrives at Helsinki's West Terminal on May 13th. Originally, the plan was to capture the arrival of TUI Cruises' Mein Schiff 7 on the same morning, but it caught the ship spotter by surprise and arrived earlier than expected. Luckily, we still managed to catch a brief glimpse of this impressive cruise ship. MS Finlandia is a passenger and car ferry operated by Eckerö Line, built in 2000 in Spain. The ship measures about 175 meters in length and 27.6 meters in width, and can carry up to 2,000 passengers and 650 vehicles. It operates daily on the Helsinki-Tallinn route, with a crossing time of roughly 2.5 hours. Passengers enjoy a comfortable trip with restaurants, cafes, duty-free shopping, and even live music on board. Eckerö Line is a Finnish shipping company specializing in passenger and freight services between Finland and Estonia. Known for reliable schedules and Finnish hospitality, the company is a popular choice for quick and easy travel across the Gulf of Finland. In addition to passenger traffic, Eckerö Line has a strong freight operation. MS Finlandia handles daily cargo transport, and the company also operates MS Finbo Cargo, serving a more logistics-focused route between Vuosaari, Helsinki, and Muuga, Tallinn, ideal for trucks and commercial freight, keeping heavy traffic out of city ports. Mein Schiff 7 is the newest cruise ship in TUI Cruises' fleet, delivered in 2024 by the Meyer Turku shipyard in Finland. The vessel is approximately 316 meters long and 35.8 meters wide, with capacity for over 2,800 guests and nearly 1,000 crew members. It offers luxury cruises across the Baltic Sea and Northern Europe, with ports of call including Helsinki, Tallinn, Stockholm, and Copenhagen. The ship features multiple restaurants, a theater, wellness areas, pools, and spacious open decks for a high-end cruise experience. TUI Cruises, based in Germany, is a joint venture between TUI Group and Royal Caribbean. Their Mein Schiff fleet targets primarily German-speaking passengers, focusing on peaceful luxury, all-inclusive pricing, and excellent onboard quality. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy ship spotting and maritime traffic, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which ship you'd like to see next. Safe travels to MS Finlandia and Mein Schiff 7. See you next time und vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen.